everyone, today we're going to show you how to do a couple different braids. If you like videos like this and you want to see more, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to do 3 different braids. A regular braid, a French braid, and a fishtail braid. These braids are pretty simple to do. You can do them on yourself, or as we'll have today, we'll have my sister Jordan here to do them on me. You can do these braids for any time, for any reason, dress them up, dress them down. Very versatile skill to have so that you can do them on your own hair or on somebody else's hair.
Okay, so first we're going to be doing a regular braid. So what you're going to do first is you're going to split the hair into 3 equal sections. Once you get your section split, you're going to take one of the side pieces and you're going to cross it over your middle piece. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side piece. And then you're just going to repeat the same thing, crossing one side piece over the middle and then the other side piece over the middle until you're down to the bottom. Now once you get to wherever you want to stop, you're going to take a hair tie and just wrap it around the base of your braid. Now if you want, you can puff out the braid a little bit to make it look a little bit thicker. And that's it. Okay, so next we're going to be doing a French braid. So first you're going to brush all of the hair back so the part on the top of the head goes away. Then next you're going to take a section from the center of the head and pull it apart. And then split it into 3 pieces. So now you're going to take your side piece and cross it over the middle. And then take your other side piece and cross it over the middle. And now whenever you're going to cross your side pieces over the middle, you're going to start to add hair with it. So you just take a section of the hair from the side you're braiding from, and you cross it over the middle. And then you do the same thing on the other side. And then you just repeat. Now once you run out of hair to add, you can just continue down the braid like regular. And then once you get to the length you want, you can just add the hair tie and tie it off. And once again, if you want, you can pull apart the pieces of the braid to make it look thicker. And that's it. Okay, so last we're going to be doing a fishtail braid. So for this one, you're going to split the hair into 2 equal sections. Then once you get your sections, you're going to take a piece of hair from the outside of one of the sections, and you're going to cross it over to the middle of the other section. And then you're going to do the same thing on the other side. You should try to make sure that the sections you take are about the same size every time. And then you're just going to do the same thing until you get down to the bottom. Now once you get down to the bottom of the hair, you can take a hair tie and just tie it off. And that's it.
There you have it. Now you have 3 different braids that you can do at any time for any occasion that you feel like. Or if you're lucky, you could get your sister or someone to do it for you like we had here. So if you're going to try any of these out, or if there's any other cool braids that you know, please be sure to tell us about them in the comments. We want to hear about all these cool things that you can do too. And thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, and also make sure to subscribe to our channel because we have a lot more really cool how-tos coming. Thank you!